Welcome to U.S. Immigration TV. In this video, I will discuss a possible solution for same-sex couples to marry, be petitioned, and live together in the U.S. So make sure to watch this video until the end, and of course, like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Now, over the years, U.S. citizens or green card holders, which we call LPRs, have consulted with me about how to petition their same-sex partners who live in another country where perhaps same-sex marriages are not recognized. For example, their partner lives in the Philippines, which does not recognize nor officiate same-sex marriages. In this particular scenario, the partner may not be able to obtain a tourist visa, let's say, to come to the U.S. and marry their citizen or green card holder partner. And by the way, that might also violate the intent necessary for a visitor visa, because you can have no immigrant intent in applying for a visitor visa. Now, if the partner is still a green card holder, a fiancé visa is not possible, as only U.S. citizens can file K-1 fiancé petitions. A possible solution, and this is big, this is important, a possible solution is a remote wedding, like by Zoom or FaceTime. The state of Utah recognizes and performs remote weddings by Zoom, FaceTime, or some other video conferencing where you and your same-sex partner do not need to be in Utah or even at the same location. For example, the U.S. citizen or green card partner could be, let's say, in California, New York, New Jersey, Florida, and their partner could be in the Philippines or any other country around the world, and they appear for their ceremony via Zoom or FaceTime. According to the Utah County Clerk's website, the couple must first obtain a Utah marriage license, which can be done online. Now, once the ceremony is scheduled, both the couple and the two witnesses must be able to appear via a live video feed during the ceremony. This can be done, again, by Zoom, FaceTime, or other live video feed. The couple and the witnesses do not have to be in the same physical location to participate in the ceremony. Therefore, the parties and their witnesses could be in several different locations. They do not even need to be in the state of Utah. Only the solemnizing officer, or the one performing the wedding, has to be in Utah. After the ceremony, the marriage must be consummated. And that means the parties must see each other in person after the video ceremony and, let's say, have a wedding night together. And it has to be after the ceremony, not before. And you probably want to document it. Don't get too graphic about your wedding night. Maybe a picture of each other in front of some landmark with their arms around each other, or some other occasion to show that you've seen each other after the ceremony. This is called a proxy marriage, which under U.S. immigration law would be valid and recognized as long as the marriage was consummated after the proxy or video wedding. Therefore, if a same-sex couple is having problems getting married because some countries do not recognize same-sex marriages, they could have a proxy marriage in Utah. Then the petitioner could take a trip to the Philippines or wherever else their partner lives where their marriage would be consummated, in which case the marriage would be, according to law, valid as of the date of the proxy or video ceremony. Thereafter, the petitioner returns to the U.S. and could then file a spousal petition based on the Utah remote marriage. If you are having issues getting married with your same-sex partner, or you are a recent lawful permanent resident who perhaps recently immigrated as single under category F2B, which is a green card parent petitioning a single child over 21, and you left behind a girlfriend or boyfriend, you could now marry remotely and later consummate the marriage and then file a spousal petition based on that remote wedding. However, I would strongly recommend that you consult with an attorney who can evaluate the case, process the case, as the attorney would have all the legal arguments and case citations to support the validity of this marriage. I hope you found this video informative. I hope for those of you in same-sex relationships who have been wondering how you can go about getting married and being together, that this can finally offer you a solution. I will continue posting videos which I hope you will find informative, if not for yourself, but for your friends and family. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I am Michael Gurfinkel, and thank you for watching U.S. Immigration TV.